Elegant and stylish modern kitchen design ideas. The kitchen is not only a place to cook but also a space where family and friends gather to share meals and spend quality time together. A modern kitchen design that is both elegant and stylish can transform your space into a warm and inviting place that reflects your personal taste and style. Here are some modern kitchen design ideas that you can use to create an elegant and stylish kitchen that will impress your guests. Minimalist design. Minimalism is a design style that is characterized by simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. It is an ideal style for modern kitchens as it creates a clean and uncluttered look. Minimalist kitchens usually have few cabinets and appliances, with a focus on functionality and efficiency. To achieve a minimalist kitchen design, use neutral colors, such as white, gray, or black, and avoid patterns or complicated textures. Bold colors. If you want to make a statement with your kitchen design, consider using bold colors. Bold colors, such as red, blue, or green, can add energy and personality to your kitchen. Use a bold color for your cabinets or island, and balance it with neutral colors for the walls and countertops. If you are unsure about using bold colors, start with a small accent, such as a backsplash or a piece of artwork. Open shelving. Open shelving is a popular trend in modern kitchen design that can add elegance and style to your space. Open shelving provides a visual break in the cabinets, allowing you to display your favorite kitchen items, such as plates, bowls, or glasses. Open shelving can also make your kitchen feel more open and spacious, especially if you have a small kitchen. Glass cabinets. Glass cabinets are another popular trend in modern kitchen design that can add elegance and sophistication to your space. Glass cabinets allow you to showcase your favorite kitchen items, such as china or glassware, while also providing storage space. Glass cabinets can also make your kitchen feel more open and airy, and they can reflect light, making your space brighter and more inviting. Statement lighting. Lighting is an essential element in modern kitchen design, as it can enhance the beauty and functionality of your space. Statement lighting fixtures, such as pendant lights or chandeliers, can add elegance and style to your kitchen. Choose a statement lighting fixture that complements the style and color scheme of your kitchen, and make sure it provides adequate light for cooking and meal preparation. Sleek appliances. Modern kitchen design is all about functionality and efficiency, and sleek appliances can help you achieve both. Choose appliances that have a clean and minimalist design, such as stainless steel or black appliances. Make sure your appliances are energy efficient and have features that will make cooking and meal preparation easier and more enjoyable. Natural materials. Natural materials, such as wood, stone, or concrete, can add warmth and texture to your modern kitchen design. Use natural materials for your countertops, flooring, or backsplash to create a natural and organic feel in your space. Natural materials can also complement other design elements, such as bold colors or statement lighting fixtures. In conclusion, an elegant and stylish modern kitchen design can transform your space into a warm and inviting place that reflects your personal taste and style. Whether you prefer a minimalist design or bold colors, open shelving or glass cabinets, statement lighting or sleek appliances, or natural materials, there are many ways to create a modern kitchen that is both functional and beautiful. Use these modern kitchen design ideas to create a space that you will love and enjoy for years to come.